Hello everyone, I want to welcome you back to my kitchen. So I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas and New Year's. So I went back to Louisiana for Christmas, and while I was there I picked me up some Louisiana crawfish. So today we are going to be making a crawfish étouffée using Louisiana crawfish. So before we get into our cooking today, I really do want to thank all my amazing viewers for all the support that you have given the channel. And with that out of the way, let's grab our ingredients and let's make some crawfish étouffée. For our étouffée, you're going to need the following: crawfish, butter, onion, celery, bell pepper, garlic, liquid crab boil, garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, black pepper, cayenne pepper, cream of mushroom soup, cream of celery soup, kitchen bouquet, and water. So we have a stick of butter heated up in our large Dutch oven over a medium-high heat. And so to this we are going to add in our onions, bell pepper, and celery. And our garlic. And our crawfish. And we're adding in 1 cap of kitchen bouquet. A little bit more than 1 cap, but that'll be fine. And now we're going to cook this down for about 10 minutes till our crawfish tails start to curl up. So I forgot to mention that we needed to cook this 5 to 10 minutes covered. And so this has been going 5 to 10 minutes. And as you can see, our crawfish have started to curl up. So to this, we are going to add in our Cajun seasoning, black pepper, cayenne, and garlic powder. We're going to add in our cream of mushroom soup. Okay. Then our cream of celery. Now we're going to turn this down just a little bit. Give this a quick mix. And then we're going to add in about a cup of water. There we go. And we are adding in 1 cap of your favorite crab boil. Give this a good mix again. And if you find this is still a little thick, you can add a little bit more water to it. So now we're going to cover this and simmer it for another 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so this has been going a good 20 minutes on a nice simmer. We're going to give this a quick stir. And we've got us a bowl here with some rice. So we're going to get us a couple of good scoops. Put that there. Also going to pour some over our rice. Grab a little bit more, because you never have too much. Alright, so now we're going to eat up. Alright, so we have our crawfish étouffée plated up with some rice. And give this a quick mix, and the whole house smells nothing but this étouffée. seasonings are balanced. And if you want, you can kick it up a little bit by adding a little bit of Tabasco or your favorite hot sauce. So I really do hope everybody enjoys the video, and definitely give this recipe a try. And as I mentioned before, when you're getting your crawfish, make sure it's from Louisiana. Be sure to read that package. So I do want to thank everybody for watching. For my new viewers, I want to say welcome. To my existing viewers, I want to say thank you for the support you've given my channel. So until next time, enjoy cooking in the kitchen, and I'm going to finish up this crawfish étouffée.